Hello everyone, welcome here today with another one of the 100 ways to motivate yourself. I am Walt. Here we are with our 93rd part in this series. Excellent series right here. I have had so much fun making it, and we're not quite at the end, but we're getting close. Anyway, so part 93 here is a pretty good principle, and this one is to push your own buttons. And so what is this principle all about? I mean, people are always talking about pushing each other's buttons in a negative way. What does this mean? Because it's clearly not going to be this negative way we'd naturally think. And what he's talking about here is mostly about musical motivation, actually, about how we can push our own motivational buttons here in terms of listening to our favorite songs or songs we find particularly motivating. There's some good orchestral takes that can be motivating to me. You can find songs that get you to really feel this strong emotion. When you feel a strong emotion, often you are motivated to action, as long as it's like a happy, kind of thrilling, kind of achievement-related emotion. A lot of these really push us to achieve. Now, you don't want to push your own buttons in a negative way, so push yourself to, go and do something negative or to be angry. Yeah, I'm going to do this because I'm angry, because I'm furious this isn't working. Don't do that, because the more you do that, it's going to affect your subconscious mind. It's going to get you to have more negative thoughts, which is going to lead you to pessimism and eventually to passivity. So instead of doing that, work on listening to positive stuff that will get you motivated to be positive, to be happy, and soon enough you'll be motivated and achieving. Anyway, that's about it for part 93. I will see you guys next time with part 94. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.